morning. So today I'm going to tell you about how I record my engine sound without any kind of wind noise, and I'm also going to show you how I do it, what all things do I use, and I'm also going to link all those links below in the video description so that you can just go ahead and get it. I mean, you keep on seeing all those crap videos on YouTube where the engine sound is just less than wind noise. I mean, the wind noise is so huge and it sounds so terrible. So my process is going to make it easy for you. I mean, audio is everything. I can't stress this more. So if you are looking to put up any kind of riding sequence with the best possible raw engine sound for your audience, you need to do it the right way. Well, let me first show you the difference and then we can talk more. So this is the sound straight from the GoPro with all that wind noise. And this is the sound straight from the GoPro with my dedicated audio recording setup. Which one do you like? Second one, obviously. Alright, let me show you what I use. So basically you need a good audio recorder. This is the Zoom H1N. I'm going to give all the links below in the video description. Then you need a dead cat. So you need to put this dead cat right over here, something like this. This is to avoid all that wind noise. And then you need a bit of foam cover and a rubber band. So the placement needs to be, so you need to open your rear seat first and use this space to keep your audio recorder. Just make sure the audio recorder is not moving inside. So this is the reason we are going to place this foam cover. So just place this foam cover something like this. Put the rubber band and just fix it firmly. Just make sure it's not moving inside or just not hitting some surfaces. Put it something like this and then you can cover your rear seat back again. So that was all about how to place your audio recorder into the bike to record your engine sound without any kind of wind noise, placing this dead cat. And you need to know about two things before you start recording. The two things is about the configuration. So there are like two things like basic and advanced. So if you're not someone who knows a lot about audio engineering, audio gain control, you do not need to get into the advanced part. Just go ahead and get into the basics. So the basic steps are, go to your audio recorder, and so this H1N is having those amazing features like low cut, limiter, auto level. Just set your low cut to 120 Hz and limiters needs to be on. So basically you are not peaking all the time, and then just keep the auto level on. So that was all about how to set up the basic way for the noobs and the newbies. And now about the advanced way, you need to keep few things in mind. First, you need to record in the highest possible audio format, that is the WAV and the 96. And for the limiter you need to keep it on, and for the auto level keep it off. Just set the gain control and set it to somewhere which is not peaking to -12. You need to stay somewhere around -5 or -6. So once the bike is on and the engine is sounding a lot, so it's of course going to pick it to -12. So that is the reason you need to keep the limiter on. Auto level, just try to maintain somewhere around -5 or -6. I'm going to show you an example. Just start your engine a bit. So once your bike is on and the audio recorder auto leveling is set to off, you can see that it's right now it's idling, the engine is idling and the picking is more than -12. So you need to set it a bit low, somewhere like somewhere this, yeah. So that should be the perfect position to keep it. Just keep the limiter on and try to set to a level which is not picking more than -12. Again, your audio recorder is not going to stay here, it's going to stay here. So just try to keep it like one level more. That is the reason I have like kept the knob to like 5 or 6. So that will be the perfect position for you. You need to make sure all the experiments needs to be done before you start riding, because you need to hit the sweet spot again. So that was basically the tutorial about how to record your engine noise without any kind of wind noise or the hish, all that sounds. So I told you about how to place the recorder first and then about the configuration. If you are confused about the configuration part, just forget about what I said and keep your recorder everything on, like auto limiter on, leveling, auto level on, then limiter on. Just keep all those things on and let it record. You don't have to start learning about audio gain control and audio engineering. It's again a huge part to learn about. So basically forget about it and just set everything to on and you're good to go. I mean, I hate riding inside the city because I cannot go more than first gear inside the city, like 1 2 1 2 first second. I cannot even go to third. I mean, right now it's like 7:30 a.m. and there is already so much of traffic right now. I mean, it doesn't look so much because I mean it takes a less time for me to go from point A to B. Anyways, I hate riding in the city, period. That is all I wanted to say. And if you guys are watching my videos, you know that I was waiting for my registration number and I already asked in my video about your suggestions for the number, and I have picked like 2 numbers from my subscriber suggestions. First is the 1602, which is the birth date of my son, and then it's 4600. Another good number was 4669, that is 46 for Valentino Rossi and 69 for late Nicky Hayden. So I have actually given all those 3 numbers, choice numbers, to my agent to check which is available and just go ahead with the registrations. Once it comes, I will let you guys know about it. So I'm riding back to home right now. It's Friday, so I need to leave office by like 10 a.m. again, and I will edit this video tonight and publish it on Saturday morning, I hope, because I have like few hours free today. I'm going to use that for editing. It takes a lot of time. We will see how it goes. Oops, Lord knows. I love that sound, and the quick shifter is so amazing, incredibly good. You don't have to put or engage your clutch at all. Just get on quick shift. Boom, 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 boom. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Love it. And I'm going to make another detailed video about this quick shifters and how to use auto blipper in your superbikes. So that will be next week. I just hope I'm getting free because next week I'm leaving for my super long road trip in New Zealand. So once I'm back, I should be doing a lot more videos. You should be seeing a lot of vlogs once I'm in New Zealand. So let me just know what all you want to see, because I have a list of around 20 topics which I'm going to make in New Zealand. But still, if you have got any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below and I will try to keep your request. I left home at 5:30 a.m. today for this video, and it's already 7:30 p.m. I don't know, time is flying. I mean, this video is not going to be more than I guess 2 minutes, but it has taken me 2 hours. So YouTube takes time. I mean, it's not free and it takes a lot of efforts and time. So just try to appreciate your YouTubers whenever you can, because they're doing everything they can to entertain you guys, teach you guys, and you are learning something every day, every second from them. So just try to appreciate this hard work of every YouTuber you love. I mean, I do that and I expect the same from all of my fans and followers as well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have learned something today again, and if you have got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time. Peace.